The JBL BassPro Hub is a cleverly engineered spare tire subwoofer that delivers powerful, deep bass without sacrificing trunk space, making it perfect for anyone who wants high-quality sound without the bulky setup. Designed to fit inside the hub of your spare tire, this innovative system features an 11-inch fiberglass woofer cone with a rubber surround for clean, distortion-free bass, even at high volumes. Powered by a built-in Class D amplifier that pushes 200 watts RMS, it offers efficient, reliable performance while preserving your car's electrical integrity. User-friendly features like a wired remote let you fine-tune gain, phase, crossover frequency, and bass boost up to 12 dB, giving you full control from the driver's seat. Whether you have a factory or aftermarket stereo, the BassPro Hub easily integrates using line-level or speaker-level inputs. With added protection against overcurrent and overheating, plus JBL's tough build quality, this sub is built to withstand daily driving and extreme conditions. It's the ideal choice for those who want immersive, JBL-quality bass in a sleek, stealthy, and space-saving package that keeps your cargo area clean and your sound system booming.